Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table of Microsoft Word, okay? So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up your PC, your laptop. And by the way, if you're watching this with your MacBook, your iOS devices, for any other than the one I'm using right now on OS Windows, with a PC setup, okay? So please stay in the video because it's literally the same process, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is, of course, look for Word, or rather Microsoft Word, and just click Black Document. Once you're here, look for the sections above and look for Insert, and you'll find Table right there. Now you have two options here. You want to do the manual one, for example, 2x3, 3x3 table, or just simply click Install Table right there, and Microsoft is going to ask you how many rows, how many columns, and out of it behavior example, out of it contents, out of it window, so on and so forth. Now, personally, I like drawing itself by myself manually, so I can gauge how it looks like, how many I need specifically. There's a visual interpretation or visual image, right? So for example, I'm going to use this to enlarge it. Just simply click on that one. It will enlarge it as it is. To move it, just click on this part right here, and to edit it, of course, design, table design on the top section right there. You can design it on your own, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.